Go cop your 2-6 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your haircare products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless.
I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm going to talk to you about why YouTube is the #1 place to get your wave education from. And we are starting right now.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
So YouTube is the best place for beginner wavers. Here's why. First of all, YouTube is honestly the best video app in the world. If not the best, one of the top 3. With YouTube being one of the best video apps in the world, in this generation, business is done online. So that makes YouTube a great foundation for your business. It could be entertainment business, educational business, whatever you want to do on YouTube. Just know that it's a great foundation and it's the best way to start your online business. Why YouTube is the best place for beginner waiver. It is an outstanding educational platform with thousands and thousands of hours of educational videos. Anything you want to know about waves or anything else, YouTube has it. You can either search it up on Google where you actually read the information, or you can come on YouTube where you have somebody like me talking to you and telling you the solution to your problem. So if you want waves, you come on YouTube, how to get 360 waves, 360 Juice pops up. You have educators like myself, 360 Juice, 360 Jeezy, Sir Cruz, amongst all other wave educators. Me, I post every single day, okay? I teach about waves every single day. So that tells you that YouTube has it all. If you want to get waves, YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. And even if you do go on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, anywhere else that has tips on getting waves, you're not gonna find a platform that has long enough videos to explain every single detail on how to get the perfect waves. So longer videos, more information, overall puts you in a better situation to get the perfect 360 waves, 720 waves, whatever waves you want to get. Also, YouTube has better quality. Videos starting from 360 go up to 720, 1080p, even 4K. Alright, those qualities are amazing. You can watch your favorite waver educate you on how to become elite like them in 4K. Great definition, high quality, great audio, everything. You can't really do that anywhere else but YouTube, which is why YouTube is one of the best platforms to get 360 waves. And while you're watching your favorite waver teach you how to get waves, you get better visual effects, better transitions, better editing, and you have the words popping out. It's just an overall better experience. Now, if you already know how to get waves, you can hop on YouTube and teach others how to get waves and actually make a living just by teaching others what you already know. How dope is that? Basically, what I'm trying to say from that is anyone can teach on YouTube. It's also a great source of income if you're working from home. You know, with this whole quarantine, corona, with this whole pandemic that we've been going through, it is a great source of income just working from home. All you need is a camera, ring light, laptop to edit, and that's all. Upload one day at a time and grow one day at a time. Now that we've talked about why YouTube is the best place for you to learn how to get waves, if you want to start with your wave journey, I have a video right here for beginners. Click that and enjoy your wave journey. Thanks for watching. Peace.